Yeah guys, I'm here with a quick update after 2 years. Yeah, after more than 2 years with this Kraus kitchen sink farmhouse style, which we added here to this new kitchen, and I'm still super happy with it. I mean, of course, not only me, but also my wife. It was our decision to use this one here, and it's absolutely amazing. You can also see how nicely it's holding up here. Also the front here, which is of course always exposed to, maybe sometimes you can see when I'm close here, hitting sometimes with my belt, and my wife of course same thing. And you can see there's absolutely nothing, no wear and tear, nothing to see. Also these grates here really nicely holding up. You can see you can lift them up and there's nothing underneath, no rust, no nothing. Maybe just slight discoloration where the feet are, but no real rust, also not even underneath. And from time to time it looks like there would be some rust, but it's more like just build up from the calcium or whatever, and when you spray a little bit of cleaner on it, it looks like brand new again. So everything has been working really good. Of course it's not perfectly clean. I just realized that we have it more than 2 years now, and so I wanted to give you a quick update because we are so super happy with it. Also from underneath you can see how this looks. We also have the Kraus garbage disposal here right underneath, and so I think altogether it's a great fit here, absolutely perfect for our new kitchen. We absolutely love it still after 2 years, and so it's a full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.